factory tour. Here you can see we're cutting the material from the spools. This is our stamping process here, where we take multiple layers of material and use this hydraulic press with the cutting tools to punch them out into the appropriate size for the different position on the hat.
Right now we're assembling, this is just assembling the dome of the hat here, so.
Here you can see part of the assembly of the brim. All of this is extremely labor intensive, and it's hard to get an idea of the scope of what goes into something as simple as a little hat without actually spending time in the factory.
So here we have the button on the top of the hat being assembled. So here we are trimming up the sides of the hats. You can see here, after the hat has basically been assembled, there's wrinkles and it's not completely formed. So what we have here is a steam and stretching operation. The hat goes on in the position here, and this separates, this clamps down, and it blows hot steam out, which irons out, straightens out, and helps form the hat. And of course, 100% of our hats receive this treatment, this process.
When money and product change hands around the globe, it is an added security to work with partners that share your Western values, understand your requirements, and communicate with you as though they were right next door.
请你过来卖我们的产品，谢谢。